Dear children, welcome to 12th Mathematics, Relations and Functions. Here we will study a very important question of 12th class for this chapter. The question is, let A is equal to ABC, then find the number of relations containing AB and AC which are reflexive, symmetric but not transitive. First you understand the question. You have to tell how many relations will be there such that in that relation AB and AC both are contained and that relation must be reflexive and symmetric but must not be transitive. So you have to find the number of relations. See children, this is not so easy question. It can be solved in a very short manner, but to understand it in an elaborate manner, you will study it in detail. Please see. Set is given A is equal to A, B, C. Three elements are there. So for relation, we must find A cross A, and A cross A will be containing these 9 elements. Cartesian product. A, AB, AC, whatever these are there, 9 elements are there. Now, how many relations are there, we are not able to know at present. So we can put a question mark here. This is the number of relation box. How many relations are there, we are not sure at present. So this is a question mark here and R can be here. So let us see as per the question. See, it is given that it must be reflexive. So see for reflexive relation. If we need reflexive relation, AA, BB and CC must be there. See, AA, BB, CC must belong to required relation. Now, AB and AC, it is given in the question. AB and AC, it must be there. So AB and AC are must from the question. We get elements now AA, BB, CC, AB, AC. These 5 we are getting the elements that must be in our relation. Now see, it is also given in the question. See, after reflexive it must be symmetric also. So for symmetric, BA and CA must be there. Why CC there? Here AB and AC are there. So for AB, BA must be there, so that it must be symmetric, and for AC we must have CA. So these 2 more elements are included, BA and CA. So here we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. These 2 are also included, so that the relation is reflexive as well as symmetric and containing AB and AC. Now see, we are not to get transitive relation. So let us check about left out elements. See, left out elements are there. Out of 9 elements, we have taken here 7. So 2 are left out, BC and CB. Now check for BC. If we take BC in that relation, then what happens? BC we are taking, CA is already there. See this, CA is already present. Here, CA, this CA is here present from this. BA is also present. See BA is present. Now BC is present, CA is present, BA is present. So for BC, CA, see this BA is also present, therefore it becomes transitive. It becomes transitive if you are taking B and C, BC. Now see, second one which is left out, CB. See, if CB is belonging to R, now see these 2 are also belonging to R already here. See, BA and CA, see here, BA and CA, see this, BA and CA, see. So CB is in R, BA is in R, and see this one, CA CA, it is also belonging in R, so R becomes transitive. Dear children, in the question it is given that it must not be transitive. So we cannot take BC, we cannot take CB. So what we can take? We can take whatever we have taken here. See, AA, BB, CC, AB, AC, BA, CA, and we can take only these elements for required relation. So we can write required relation containing AB and AC as it is given in the question, that is reflexive, symmetric but not transitive, is R is equal to AA, BB, CC, AB, AC, BA, CA, and this is the only one relation which is satisfying the above condition. So required number of relation is 1, and this is our answer. Thank you. All the best.